Hello student. Today we will study the biochemistry of protein. So what is meant by protein and what is the structure of protein, what is the properties of protein, what is the classification of protein. First we will see what is meant by protein. Proteins, they are occur in every part of cell and constitute about 50% of dry weight of cell. These proteins are the fundamental basis of structure and function of life. The term protein is derived from the Greek word proteos, means holding the first place. The word proteos is given by scientist Berzelius. Then Mulder, a Dutch chemist, in 1838 used the term protein for the particular molecule. So, which are these molecules? The high molecular weight, nitrogen rich and most abundant substance present in animal and plant. The high molecular weight and those molecules rich in nitrogen. Such molecule present in animal and plant, they called protein. The term is used by Mulder. Then what is meant by or what is the function of this protein in human body or animal's body? So protein have a great variety of specialized and essential function in living cells. On the basis of function, these protein are broadly grouped in two groups. First is structural functions and next is dynamic function. First is structural function. The structural function include or it is primarily responsible for the structure and strength of body, the muscle mass of the body, or also involved in some vascular tissue. For example, collagen and elastin found in bone matrix and vascular system, whereas alpha keratin present in epidermal tissue. This molecule gives strength and structure to the body. Then in dynamic function, the dynamic function are more diversified than structural function. For example, enzyme, hormone, blood clotting factor, immunoglobulin, membrane receptor, storage protein, muscle contraction protein, or respiration. All these functions are performed by or all these molecules are made up of protein. Therefore, protein performing the dynamic function are regarded as a working horse of animal cell. This protein, if you hydrolyze completely, they will give L-alpha amino acid. Hence, we can say that proteins are made up of or are the polymer of L-alpha amino acid. In nature, as many as 300 amino acid found. But out of these 300 amino acid, only 20 are known as a standard amino acid as they repeatedly found in protein, which are isolated from different animal, plant and microbes. Means there are number of amino acid or 300 amino acid, but out of which 20 amino acid which are found in repeatedly in proteins in animal, plant and microbes. Also, the universal nature of genetic code is also available for the incorporation of only 20 amino acid. Means only genetic code or codons are present only for this 20 amino acid. Out of this 20 amino acid, after synthesis of protein, some of the incorporated amino acid undergo modification to form their derivatives. So, we will see what is meant by amino acid, which form the protein. The amino acid are the organic compound contain two functional group. One is amino group and second is carboxyl group. The amino group NH2 is basic in amino acid while carboxyl group is acidic in nature in amino acid. The term alpha amino acid is used if both carboxyl group and amino group attached to the same carbon. if you see the image or toward this pointer, this is a alpha carbon of that amino acid. Why this is alpha carbon? Because NH2 group and carboxyl group attached to the same carbon atom. Then optical isomer of amino acid. So optical isomers of amino acids are available. Why optical isomers of amino acid are present? Because the carbon atom is attached to 4 different groups. Therefore, it is asymmetric and hence it exhibits the optical isomer. The alpha carbon of amino acid is asymmetric in nature because it linked to the 4 different groups. Therefore, it exhibits the optical isomerism. All amino acid except glycine possesses 4 distinct groups, means 4 different molecules attached to the alpha carbon. Hence, they possess the optical isomer except glycine. The L and D amino acid are based on the same hypothesis on which L and D glyceraldehyde configuration takes place, or L and D carbohydrate monosaccharide are classified. In protein, mostly L-alpha amino acids are found. Hence, proteins also called polymer of L-alpha amino acid. Then classification of amino acid. So there are 3 type of total classification of amino acid based on structure, based on requirement, and based on polarity. First we will see the classification of amino acids based on structure. The classification of amino acid is based on their structure and chemical nature. Each amino acid is assigned 3-letter word or 1-letter symbol. Symbols are commonly used to represent the amino acids in protein structure. The 1-letter symbol is used to represent what amino acid is incorporated in protein. These 20 amino acids are divided